Here's the dozer. Tried to clean out as much dirt as I could. Undercarriage looks good. That's the hydraulic tank, hydraulics, diesel tank. Here's the engine. Starter. That's the foot starter that engages that and starts it. Big old bucket. Here's the other side. Everything looks good. A good undercarriage. Here's the engine from this side. Both fuel filters were replaced. This is the fuel injection pump. The one line I replaced was this hard line here. It was leaking from this bottom of this injector, so now it doesn't leak. Put new rubber lines on, new black 1/4-inch rubber lines. Yeah. I took the gauge cluster, unscrewed it. Just unhooked the oil pressure gauge here and put it on a another manual gauge just to verify that there's no oil pressure.